everybody, welcome back to the homestead. My name's Anthony. This is Dogwood Hill Homestead. Got the Land Pride box plate out today. We're going to do some driveway work, and we're going to get this thing set up. And I'll tell you right now off the get-go, I am not a box plate expert. I'm still learning. It's still trial and error for me, but we're going to do the best we can to get this thing set up. First thing I'm going to do is try to get it set up kind of level. And like I said, I'm not a box plate expert by any means, but I just try to start out by being as level as possible. And I do that with the top link. Look level to you, Michelle? This way. I need to level it and lower it down a hair.
The left side looks higher, but I think
Left side is, that side's higher?
I think it's where you're parked.
No, you're probably right, because this probably needs to be adjusted. This side
It's lower.
is lower. We'll raise her up. Come on, you think she's level?
I think that's good.
She's level?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. So next thing I want to do is I'm going to adjust my chains so that it's not flopping back and forth. So let me try to get you the best angle here that I can. So these are the sway chains that kind of prevent things from swinging around too much. Turn them one way and it shortens the chain. You can turn them the other way and it lengthens it. Sometimes it takes me a minute to figure out which one's which. And when you get it where you want it, you want to tighten the jam nut down right here. There's a jam nut on there that holds it in place. All right, next thing I need to do is adjust these grippers. There's a pin here that you grab and pinch. Raise it. It'll let you pull this pin up if you have your pliers adjusted right. There we go. And then you can raise your rippers. Go. Notch, and then put the pin back in. Just reverse the procedure. Squeeze it in. Down in there. Now we got to do that to all these other ones. All right, I got all the rippers raised to the right height, and what the rippers do, they dig down into the driveway and pull up the rock that's been pushed down into the ground, brings up the coarse rock, pushes down the fines, and then the blade on the back will scoop up material and spread it out in the low spots. Well, how well you can pick this up on camera. We've gotten a lot of rain over the last few weeks, and all of this is been washed out. So you see we got some pretty deep ruts. There's one right here. It's probably about ankle deep. It's pretty deep. So we need to clear that out, smooth this over. I want to start down here at the end, work my way down. There are those that are magicians with box blades, and there are those that make messes with box blade. I'm more on the side of those that makes messes with box blades, but we're going to give it a try. The more you use something, I believe, the better you get at it. So we're gonna definitely, one thing to say for sure, we're gonna get better at it today. Well, I'm not completely disappointed in this. I'll probably give it a few more passes. But right in through here is where that big rut was. Right in through here. And I was able to get it filled in most of the way. I'm fairly happy. It got all the vegetation out of the middle. There's a lot of dirt built up in the middle, but I was able to clear all that out, and especially there on top of the hill looks good. Coming down through here, I got a lot of material that really needs to be spread out a little better. But I did take care of the ruts. The ruts are pretty much gone, and I've got quite a bit of gravel. I really was wondering at the beginning if I was going to have enough gravel, but I mean, there's grass and dirt mixed in with this, but gravel's there. It's just down deep. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm sure soaking wet, and I'm gonna make a couple more passes later on this afternoon, get it smoothed out. But that's kind of what I had to do today. Now I know for a fact that I'm going to get some hate because I could just see people now typing, "He did it wrong." And you're right, I did. Like I said at the beginning, I'm not a box blading expert, not a box blade magician. I make more of a mess of the box blade, but every time I use it, I learn a little bit more, and that's really what it's about. It's not about being perfect, getting perfect results, but the more that I use it, the better I get. Today, it's not perfect. It's better. The ruts are gone, and I'm happy with that. If we've earned it, give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We make videos about tractors, chickens, goats, and quail. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Lord willing, the creek don't rise.